Special thanks to our sponsors today, who is going to be sending us out a Cryptid X309 Thermal Imaging Scope. It is in the mail. It should be here by tomorrow, I believe. This is a precursor to me finishing up the editing of this video, so this is going to be pretty cool. So as you can see here, we're checking out their website. This is an $1,800 unit, perfect unit for anybody trying to just get into thermals. This is the perfect budget system that you can get that will actually work, and it won't just be a, oh, I'm guessing what this is downrange. The Everything you need is going to be in that box and ready to go. So as soon as it gets here, you'll be checking it out with me. And just like that, it's here, the Cryptid X309 Thermal Imaging Scope. It comes in 7 different color palettes: white hot, black hot, fusion, red hot, rainbow, metal, and green hot. This thing comes ready to rock and roll. Everything you need in the box. Get yours today and check out what we got to do in the field just a couple weeks ago.